Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Unice. For the ones who know me, welcome back to my channel. And for the ones who do not know me, I'm Unice. Today's video is going to be on Unice hair. I am just going to show y'all the packaging of this wig. It came in within the next 3 business days, about 3 to 4 business days. And I also received these goodies in the bag. It did come with a headband. It came with the best lashes. Y'all, I actually wore these lashes as well. So these lashes are very good, and it does come with a wig cap. Now this is a body wave. It is a T-lace. This wig is very affordable, I must say. Very affordable. It does have kind of like brown, honey blonde, or amber look highlights to this wig. The lace was kind of brownish, but I did make it work. And it does have small knots on this lace, so you don't necessarily have to bleach the knots. I did go back and just pluck the hairline, and let's get into this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do that now. Also, if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up at the end of this video, but let's keep watching. Today's hair is by Unice Hair. All the hair details I will leave down below. This was everything that came into the box. Of course, you had the cap and a headband, as well as the wig. I do have the wig right here, and that is everything included into this box. The instructions are on the back. There is also hair care tips as well on this box. So if you don't know exactly how to take care of the wig, they did enlist some instructions on how to actually take care of the hair. So this is the actual hair. It is a body wave. It does have very full, nice curls to it. It's very soft as well as very thick. It does have a light brown lace on the actual wig. The wig also is just a Tpart lace. This is what a Tpart lace looks like. It is in the shape of a T. It just has the lace part in the middle and around the sides. It doesn't really have too much lace exposure on the side where you have a hairline. So I didn't actually pluck this wig at all. I am just going to do an installing video on it and actually just do my baby hairs and just style it for you all to see. I didn't actually do a ball cap, but I do have my cap on. I am just going to apply this wig. I do have my color foundation, and usually for a Tpart wig, I do go ahead and just place the foundation on the Tpart area so you'll be able to see the scalp from the outside. This is the foundation I'll be using today. This is just the Black Radiance foundation. I'll be taking just a little bit of it and just applying it to my wig. I did go ahead and apply the foundation to the Tpart of this wig. This is what it looks like. I did go ahead and apply it, and I am just going to go ahead and put this wig on my head. Body wave. And again, this is Unice Hair. And this is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. Y'all, this hair is really nice. Straight out of the box and just placed onto my head. This is the body wave, y'all. Look at this wave pattern. Look at this wave pattern. It's so full. So I am just going to cut off this lace. And also, this wig fits really snug. This wig fits really snug. You could possibly wear it glueless if you want. It does fit really snug. I did go ahead and cut the lace off of this wig, and you can't really tell nothing with this wig. I am just going to define my part so you can see it a little bit more, and I will be styling this wig. this is the finished look. Don't you absolutely love this hair? My fingers go right through it. Now, I can definitely say this hair holds the best curls. The best curls. Like, watch this. Like, these curls come right back. They come right back, y'all. This hair holds heat so well. But this wig came out amazing. It's so pretty. I like how you see more of the highlights down at the bottom of the wig. Pluck the closure. I did just pluck the lace part and just added baby hairs in the front. Have the wig intact on the sides, but that's about it. I didn't do baby hairs on the sides, just in the front because I'm only wearing it in the middle part. I love how these curls are holding so good. This hair is super soft, y'all. It's super soft. I did get quite a little bit of shedding, but of course it's because I've been plucking the front, and I did cut a little bit of the baby hairs as well. But look how the curls just fall right in place. This hair really is pretty long. I'm going to stand up so you can actually see how long it is right here. I'm not really sure how long the hair is. I believe it's about a 24-inch. So it is pretty long for a 24-inch. I will leave all the details down below. But I'm really shocked at this wig because it is a T-lace, and T-lace don't really look this good. Like, this looks like an actual closure frontal wig. And it's very thin. It's very thin where you can't feel no bumps, no lumps or anything. Like, people wouldn't even tell this is a T-lace, like, at all. Like, this wig is really nice. Absolutely love the curls. Y'all, go get this wig. It's very affordable. The curls hold. Like, my curls haven't, you know, no matter how many times I run my fingers through the hair, the curls will go right back intact, looking like I just did. It does have the honey blonde highlights in it as well. And if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And already, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so now. And thank you again for watching.